Professional precision often costs thousands, but 5 specific models redefine what high-fidelity audio actually delivers. Grab pricing and links from the description to see which one claims the top spot. $299 secures the most comfortable cans on the market. Budget headphones usually feel like clamps, but the HD 550 uses giant ovoid ear cups for zero pressure. Low power requirements mean you can plug these directly into a computer without an amp. A single-sided replaceable cable removes the risk of cable snagging. The ovoid ear cup design is the key. Ovoid ear cups allow you to wear these for hours without any ear fatigue. Single-sided cabling makes movement easier by removing the Y cable clutter. Quick equalization allows you to tune the sound to your exact preference. These provide a more relaxed fit than the Focal Bathys. Need a lightweight fit? Is it too light? The build quality feels less premium than higher-end models. Desktop users who prioritize all-day comfort over surgical precision should grab these. Pass if you want a high-end professional studio monitor. The comfort-first audio choice. $699 marks the entry into true high-fidelity ANC headphones. Most wireless headphones sacrifice sound quality for noise cancellation, but the Bathys delivers high-fidelity audio. Built-in DACs enable a high-resolution digital mode for lossless audio. The battery life handles long trips without constant charging. High-end driver architecture ensures the sound remains balanced. The high-resolution digital mode is the key. High-fidelity audio transforms your listening experience by bringing out subtle textures in music. Active noise cancellation suppresses external noise, allowing you to focus on the entirety of the track. The intuitive controls allow you to switch between modes quickly. These headphones provide a more refined sound compared to the Audeze Maxwell 2. Need a quiet space? Budget $699 is a steep price for most users. High-fidelity seekers who value silence and sound quality are the target for this pair. Pass if you prefer a budget-friendly option. The Premium ANC Standard. $1,600 creates a massive gap in soundstage width. High-end headphones often feel claustrophobic, but the HD 800S creates an illusion of space. A 300 ohm impedance requires a dedicated amplifier for acceptable volume. Analytical sound reproduction focuses on accuracy over bass. Large ear cups and velour pads ensure minimal ear contact. The expansive soundstage is the key. Velour pads accommodate diverse head shapes for hours of fatigue-free listening. Precise audio reproduction allows you to spot every subtle texture in a recording. Soundstage width makes the music feel external to your head. Contrast this with the Audeze Maxwell 2, which prioritizes cinematic bass. Need a dedicated amp? Power requirement? 300 ohms of impedance? Means you cannot plug these directly into a laptop? Audiophiles who demand surgical precision and space should buy these. Pass if you prefer heavy bass. The analytical mastering standard. 80+ hour battery life kills the anxiety of constant charging. Gaming headsets usually suffer from compressed audio, but planar magnetic drivers provide high-end fidelity. A proprietary dongle enables low-latency wireless and Bluetooth connectivity. Dolby Atmos renderer support allows for professional mixing. Head tracking hardware handles the spatial audio. Battery life extends to 80+ hours. Low-latency wireless is the key. Competitive FPS performance gives you a distinct edge in positioning. Bass response is improved for cinematic explosions. Audeze HQ app EQ presets allow you to tune the sound for specific gaming scenarios. Custom spatial audio enhancement makes every sound cue same-day accurate. Need a lighter headset? Wait! The overall mass affects long-term comfort. Serious gamers who prioritize audio fidelity over weight will find this the right call. Skip if you prefer lightweight gear. The competitive gaming powerhouse. Planar magnetic drivers cut distortion, defying the typical entry-level sound. Most open-back headphones struggle with muddy mids, but planar magnetic drivers bring dynamic accuracy. These drivers allow you to hear precise high-frequency detail. A powerful source is mandatory for peak performance. The 1.5-meter cable length dictates your setup. Glasses-friendly earpads eliminate pressure points during long sessions. Open-back architecture creates a natural soundstage. High-frequency emphasis brings hidden textures to life. Worried about noise? Cable length of 1.5 meters restricts movement. Open-back design leaks sound, making quiet rooms necessary. Planar magnetic precision makes these a win for audiophiles seeking high fidelity. Skip if you need noise isolation. The category-defining audio standard. Secure your next audiophile upgrade via the pricing links in the description. Subscribe for more deep dives into high-end audio gear. Dial in your sound.